My last two videos, I have shared with you two different project management tools. Like I said in those videos, if you have not seen them, you need to go and watch them. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, or I'll pin it in the comments. All right. So you want to see these videos, how you can use project management tools to streamline your business workflow, collaborate with your clients. If you're a virtual assistant, you might want to learn one or two of these project management tools, because uh, some clients actually request the knowledge of this tool to employ you, because that is what they use in their business, or they need someone who can help them to set these project management tools up. So you want to equip yourself with the knowledge of this project management tool. So without wasting time today, I'll be walking you through another project management tool called Monday.com. Monday.com is a little bit advanced kind of project management tool, but even as a beginner, you can still find your way around it. All you need to do is keep using it, sign up and keep exploring. There are different features that you can explore on this tool. And the beautiful thing is that there are also videos by these organizations that can help you to learn more about certain advanced features. So, but today I'll be walking you through how you can start up, your Monday account, how you can set up your Monday account and, start using it right away. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tope. I'm a virtual assistant and a social media manager. On this channel, I share valuable tips and information that can help you to start up as a virtual assistant, scale your virtual assistant business, and also as a business owner, you can be able to, put your business out there online and get more customers to grow your business. So you want to subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you are new, you can go through my playlist and see different videos that I've shared in the past. Hi, welcome to Monday.com project management tool. So here is Monday.com. How do you get started here? I already created my own account. All you need to do is go to Monday.com. Then you will see a space where you can sign in or log in if you have an account already. So just go ahead and sign in with your email. You can use your Google email to sign in, okay? And when you sign in, your account is created. When your account is being created, it might take you through a series of steps to create your workspace and then create your boards. So after creating your account, you will have something like this, okay? So let me just walk you through how to use Monday.com as a beginner. As a beginner, you are not doing so much. Remember that you have to just start small and improve on what you have learned, learn more and explore. The thing about some of this or most of these tools is that if you learn them and you don't make use of them, you can't be useful for you and you can't remember definitely. So what you need to do is, after watching this video, go ahead and create an account and start exploring, start checking how you can make use of it. The good thing about most of all these tools is that you can have them also in your on your phone. So as you are operating it on your laptop, you can also do that on your phone. You can download the application so that you can easily access your account from your phone. But the best view is your desktop view, just like you are seeing it here, right here. So now you can see this is the home. Let me go to the home. So the home is just like your dashboard. You have everything in a glance, and you can see here that it's telling me to complete my profile. So this is a profile that I've created. So it says I should upload my photo, enable desktop notification. I should just do all these things, but I'm not going to be doing them now to save time. And you can also see some things that I've done in the past, like a glance of what it's already going on in your workspace or in your account. All right. So you can say I have two workspace here already. Then you can learn more about this tool here. You can see learn how Monday.com works. So you can click on that to get more insights. All right. Then you can also explore templates. So one beautiful thing that I love about this tool is that they have inbuilt templates that are very easy to edit. Of course, all of that tools also have templates, but this also have a very easy template. So as a beginner, I will always advise that you start with templates to create some things. So when you start with templates, you just be editing. Now you already know what you want to use this tool for.
For example, is it social media planning? Is it to organize some task or project that you're working on or that your clients are working on? Already have the thing you want to use it on mind. You want to use it for on mind, then that will determine the templates you want to go for, because they all have different features and views and what you need to add. Okay, so let's just get started. So like I said, this is the home. Then you have my work. So this shows all your work in one place. Then favorite. So if you click on any of the whatever to select as favorites, then you will have them under favorites, just something that you can easily access, right? Okay, so then let's move on. So we have workspaces. Like I mentioned earlier, that your workspace is just like your office. When you are in the office, a physical office, you have yourself, your team members that are working with you in your, physical office. Then you can be able to meet yourself, collaborate on some certain projects, some certain job and tasks. So this is your workspace on all your project management platform is just like your office. So you can have your manager there, your supervisor, you can have your graphic designer there, your personal assistant there, everyone will be there. And when tasks are being distributed, you can quickly assign tasks to this person or quickly send a message to this person to take note of this and that, okay? So this is basically what you can do on your workspace. So your workspace is just a point where you come together to collaborate on your project. And if you're working solo, it could be a place where or your virtual assistant, it could be a place where you collaborate with your clients. So you and your clients, you are in that workspace. So your clients want to assign a job to you, instead of going back and forth, calling or sending message or that. So they have uploaded the job, the task on Monday, and they will tag you that this task is allocated to you. And then you receive a notification on your email that you already have a task assigned to you. And everything that you're going to be doing concerning that task, you'll be receiving reminder and notification, especially if you have deadlines for the task, okay? So that is your workspace. So under workspace, you will have what is called your board. So boards are, like each having a different board for different projects. You can have a different board for different projects, okay? So board is a sub under workspaces. Then under your board, you will also have your task and subtask, okay? You can add files, you can add different things here. So this is a social media plan. I've not done anything on it actually. So I actually wanted to use it to plan a social media content for a client, okay? So what you just need to do is you already have what you want to do with it here on the first cell. Then your day one, you want to begin by putting in some text here. So if there are files you want to upload, probably there are images, videos, there are what is it called, text files, you can upload them right here. So everything is intact here. Then these are the activity log. So everything that is going on this day one, you can actually view it here. So, and another thing is that you can add a member to this. So if you need someone to work on this very one, all you need to do is to add the member to it. So now, I said this is for content planning. So what kind of content are you planning? You fill it here. You fill the person that's going to work on it here. Then the image, you have the image here. So if you are doing content planning, this is a very good one for you. So how do you arrive here? So from your workspace, you can say add new. You can create a new workspace. So you come to workspace here, you click on this three dots here, then you add new workspace. So when you add new workspace, you can name it social media management. Then you click on add. So when you click on add, monday.com will suggest to you to add from templates. But if you don't want to add from template, just simply click on start from scratch. So let's say add from templates, okay? So you can see here, you can see the social media planner here. There are other ones also, IT service desk manager. And there are other ones also that are customers projects. So if you want to work on customers projects, you can do this. So let me go ahead and add the social media planner. So just like we are using it, for example, the other time. So I am, then another beautiful thing, you can see it integrates with, this is Facebook Ads, this is Google Calendar, Google Drive, Adobe Creative Cloud, Box.com, and Dropbox. Why do you need integration? If you integrate, you can simply import files from your Dropbox or from your Google Drive to use on this platform, on this tool. So you don't need to go and be doing copy and paste and all that. So everything integrates. Do you know what this does for you? It makes you work smarter and makes you more productive. So instead of going back and forth to do this and bring it here, to do that and bring it, you can actually do everything right in this platform. All right. So let's assume that this is just one project you're working on and you want to do another project, maybe under this. So you can add a new project or a new board. So I want to add a new board because already this is just one board. This month one is one board. All right. Or let me just say this social media planner is just one board. So let's just say I want to add another board. So I'm going to just click on plus, then add board. You can see board here. I will add board on this same workspace. Remember, on this workspace. So what is this workboard's name? This new board's name, client project. So I'm naming it client project. So it's asking me, what do I want to use it for? Just items, budgets, employees, projects, leads, campaigns, creative. You can see everything. So let's say I want to use it for task, just to monitor certain tasks. Then I'll just click on task and create. Do you know why it's asking you all this question? To be able to suggest to you the kind of board you should create, or what will your board look like and what it will contain, so that it's easy for you to start putting in your content or what you want to do. So, I said I want to use it for task. So let's say today I want to do like 5 different things before the end of the today, or let me say I'm planning for tomorrow. So task 1 will be that probably I want to contact prospective clients. So I want to contact prospects on phone. You understand? Make some phone calls, and I don't want to forget. So what is the status? The status is working on it, get stuck, but I have not started working on it, and I'm not stuck, I'm not get, so I can create a new label for this. And you can just say new label, then I will name the label scheduled. So I'm scheduling this, then let me add the color for it. So I'm just going to use this color, then I'll click on apply. So I'll click on apply. So when I click on apply, I can select it. So you can see now that I've selected it. I'm just scheduling it. When I start working on it, then I can change the status to working on. Then I'll just do what? I will select dates that I want to start working on it. So let's say I'm picking this date. Okay. That's the date I schedule it for. I can add some details, okay, if I want files or phone numbers or whatever. So I have scheduled one task. I'll move on to the next task. So the next task should be, for me, can be, so create content, all right? So create social media content, and I'll still say schedule. Then I'll add a date. I can still add it for that date, but a different time, all right? And I can add it, I can schedule it for another day. So I'll go ahead and do like that until I kind of done with this, all the tasks I want to schedule. So let's open up one of this and see what you can do. So like I said earlier on, you can do email, you can do files, you can also update via email, all right? So what I'm just going to tell you is explore this tool because it has so many things that you can use it for, okay? Like I mentioned, you can invite someone to, you can invite your team member to work with you on this, or probably if this task is for somebody else, you can had the person here, and the person is already on your workspace, okay? So when you had the person gets informed that they are working on this task, and if it is just solely for you to plan your day and your time and your work. So you need not to worry about adding anybody. You already know that it's you, and every details you will be getting on your email. So let's say now on February 14, by February 14, I'm going to be getting a notification that I have a task that is due for that. In fact, before that date, I'll be getting a notification that I have a task that is due for certain so date, just to give me a reminder. Then, I can change the status of my uh task to working on it when I start working on it. This helps your team member to know what you're doing. And, when they open up the workspace, they can be able to say, okay, this person is already working on this task. All right. And they know that you've started working on it. Not just that they don't need to come and ask you how far. And when you are done, you put it on done, and they don't have to come to you and be asking you, have you done this job? Have you not done it? Because you have already changed the status to, working on it or done. And if you had any problem, that's where you get stuck. And another thing is you can create as many labels as possible, depending on what you need. So you want your label to just create label depending on whatever your board is for. Okay, so this is just an example, and you can see how we create label. So you can add as many tasks as possible, and you can also add a subtask. So let's say under this contact prospect, I also have some other things to do. So let's say, like, if I contact this prospect and they did not pick my calls, so I want to do something else relating to it. So maybe send messages to contacts who didn't answer calls. So we can do a subtask here, and you can do as many subtasks as possible. So if there's a major task and there are some other smaller tasks under it, you can create some. So for example, also this create social media content. So you could say research first, research, that's one subtask. After researching, I'll also still say add another subtask, create caption. After creating caption, I can also do a subtask, create the videos, the media. Let me put it as media. So you can see that these are subtasks under create social media content, because everything is related to the social media content and all that. So I hope this is helpful for you. All right. So this just is basically what you can do. Like I said, it's basic. This is just basic beginner. You can do so much more. You can do so much more. So you can see here, there are very, very advanced features. There are very advanced features that you can explore, but I cannot be taking you through that because it's quite a lot. So you can also try that. But in the future, I'll be doing more videos to show you some other things that I use Monday.com and some of these tools for, right?
So now you can see that Monday.com is another amazing tool that you can use for project management. There are deep advanced features in this tool. So you want to take your time to go through it and explore it. The good thing about it is that you can keep improving, you can just start and keep improving on your knowledge of these tools. Okay, the best thing is for you to keep practicing. So practice, because the more you practice, the more better you get at it. Get to like and drop a comment. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will attend to your question. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you are a new member. I will see you again in my next video, and in this next video we will be looking at another amazing productivity tool and slightly project management tool also, and you don't want to miss this very one.